Oh, you can
Yes,
see. Okay,
now yes, I
great.
see.
So,
Hello,
these
hello
are the
guys.
three.
Salaam alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish in जैसे पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है। उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रजा के लिए लड़ते थे। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है।
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate, Fengin.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं
जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे। आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के
Suhail is dressed up in the attire from the show from that time period.
Yes, I can see.
And he'd like to show it to you. So आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halime Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halime?
Yeah, of course. She's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she
sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they expressed their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The three children, and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiar Beg.
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order, and there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, which is engraved. Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it, you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General. And with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much to Make-A-Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you. Yes, we hope to also meet you very, very depicting Islamic history so beautifully. Thank you so much. And yes, you have a very big mission and you're fulfilling it very well. And now I'm going to move on to some of the very important people from our industry who are sitting right in front of us. Mr. Humayun Saeed. He's one of the top actors of the country. He's also a director. And he's also a producer. And Miss Zeba Bakhtiar is also one of the top actors, producers, directors of our country. Seated next to her is Mr. Nadeem Beg, who is one of the top, in fact, the top director of Pakistan right now. And they will be visiting Turkey very soon as well. And I will now send the mic over to them if they have a few words to say to you. Yes, yes, I'm going to call them here. Humayun, aa jaiye. Mr. Humayun Saeed. I think if we were to make a version of Ertugrul, Humayun would play your character.
Ah,
Hello,
hello, salam alaikum.
Angin. Abe. Inshallah, we will meet you soon. After
Inshallah,
this.
inshallah.
I watched all your episodes, like 400 or 500 episodes, and the main reason was your acting. Seriously, the way you perform your character, the way you carried your, character, the way you fight, the way you do all action scenes, they were really, really good.
Thank you very much.
Honestly, I watched all the episodes just because of you.
Thanks, thanks.